Each FAFSA filer may see sections where they are asked to manually report financial information. Dependent students and their parents will be asked similar information, so it's important to report their own information on their sections so the student's aid eligibility, called the Student Aid Index or SAI, is properly calculated. Information that needs to be reported manually, if applicable, is child support received and asset information for investments, businesses, or farms. Not all filers will need to report assets. If the adjusted gross income or AGI of the independent student or dependent student's parents is under $60,000 and they don't file certain tax schedules, they may not see questions about assets at all. If you or your parents are required to report assets, you may need to provide information on the following. Child support received. This is reported as the total amount received for the last complete calendar year. Total amount of cash, savings, and checking accounts. This amount should be totaled and reported as of the date the FAFSA is being filed. Net worth of investments. It's important to know what to include and what to leave out in this section. Investments can be things like stocks, real estate, and other investment products like 529 plans. Parents should not include their retirement accounts or the family home that the student lives in. For 529 accounts, these should only be reported if the parent is the account owner and the beneficiary is the child attending college. These amounts should be reported as of the date the FAFSA is being filed. There are now exemptions to who needs to report assets. Some families may need to report the net worth of businesses or farms as assets, but can be excluded if the family-owned business has 100 or fewer full-time or full-time equivalent employees, the farm is the family residence, the commercial fishing business is owned and controlled by the family. If your farm or business does not meet these criteria, you may need to report them as assets. When calculating the net worth of investments, farms, or businesses, there are many methods that could be used. Whatever method is used, it's important to be accurate and keep documentation of your calculations in the event that you are selected for verification. We want you to be confident with your financial decisions. Visit bnd.nd.gov/confident to find more resources on planning and paying for college.